XCMG, as a leader in China's loader industry, has maintained its position as the top exporter for 34 consecutive years. It has also taken the lead in exporting pure electric loaders to the world. To meet users' diverse needs for new energy loaders, XCMG, powered by a globally unified R&D platform, has been conducting on-site investigations and continuously upgrading their products to provide customized services. Currently, XCMG's pure electric wheel loaders have been widely exported to dozens of countries and regions, including Thailand, Indonesia, New Zealand, Australia, Turkey, Brazil, Chile, as well as high-end markets in Europe and the United States, such as Germany, Norway, the Netherlands, and Italy. These products find extensive applications in various scenarios, including mixing plants, stone quarries, glass factories, mines, steel mills, coking plants, and more. With their advanced reliability and energy efficiency, they have ignited a green revolution in these regions. In Southeast Asia, a leading grain company in Thailand has purchased over 10 XCMG pure electric wheel loaders in just 2 years. The first delivered XC958 EV has already operated over 4,000 hours. In South America, over 100 XCMG pure electric wheel loaders are now involved in various construction projects in Brazil, helping the football kingdom make its debut in the era of electric loader machinery. In Oceania, XCMG's pure electric wheel loaders expertly tackle the extreme challenges of mining operations in Australia and New Zealand, providing high attendance, efficiency, and returns to users. In Europe, XCMG's pure electric wheel loaders have earned recognition from meticulous German users for their outstanding performance and lower operating costs, injecting new green energy into the powerhouse of the European economy. Adhering to the mission of unlocking a greener future with electricity and creating a better world, XCMG is committed to continuous exploration and innovation in the field of new energy, empowering global users to achieve greater success.